They do tend to get quite angry. I'm glad they don't sting. But I assume it's because they're the Hockingsi species is why they're a little bit more, well, maybe you could say slightly aggressive. I probably really shouldn't disturb them so much, but I'm so interested in what goes on inside. I'll leave the plastic on now. Super busy, which is great. So reviving my second hive is going really well. I might just keep an eye on them for a little while. As the saying goes, busy as a bee. They certainly are busy little bees, that is for sure. I might just try and zoom in down the bottom there. Oops. Very carefully, I might be able to see what's going on. Could be a little bit of incrolucum wax down there, which is what covers brood, but I opened it yesterday and I didn't see any brood. A bit dark over there, but there's tons of honey pots. And if I come over here slowly, I'll leave these pollen pots on this side because they're lighter in colour. Cool. Oops, I moved the plastic and they're getting out. I'll have to fix that up. Sorry girls, didn't mean to do that. If you go back in you go. And I'll close it back up for you. There you go, look. See? The only problem I have is that I have to keep pushing this down and resealing it, but they seal it up again anyway, but probably making them do too much work by doing this all the time, but I just enjoy watching them, everything that they do. I think there's seeds there mixed in with their wax and their propolis. Seem to have a lot of that in there, but that's where it came from Mum's. Not that I can see inside my hive, but I don't think mine have anywhere near the number of seeds that are in this. Cool.